Okay, we're now going to connect the system for programming. On the transmitter, you'll notice that you turn the system on for controlling the bird live. However, for programming, we're going to turn it off. Turn the system around, and right here is a little hole that's the programming port. Plug a mono cable into the programming port, and you'll notice it'll beep and turn the system on in programming mode. The other end of the cable, the mono cable, we're going to plug into the Magic control system box and into the programming in jack. Next, we're going to connect the animation Magic box to the laptop for recording the data. So we're going to take another mono cable, plug it into programming out, and the other end of the mono cable will go into the microphone jack on the computer. Whoa! That's the sound of the data. We don't want to hear that, but that shows you that your system is working. What we're going to do now is put the splitter into the headphone jack of the computer. Ah, that's much better. Plugging the splitter into the headphone jack silences the speakers, but we will still need to hear the reference audio during programming. So next what we're going to do is take a mono jack, plug it into the golden jack on the splitter, and notice how you don't hear the buzzing of the data. If just to experiment, if you went to the other side, you would hear that. What we're hearing is a PA system. I'm using the Hasonic PA. That's connected to the other end of this mono jack, but you would be using your own system if you don't own a Hasonic system. But to be able to hear our tracks during recording, we need to have a PA connected to our computer. And the reason we're using this instead of the internal speakers of the computer during programming is so that we can control that buzz so we don't hear the system buzzing. So I'm going to plug this into the right side so it's still a quiet system ready to go for programming.